In this video, we will show you how to fix Twitter that keeps crashing on Samsung Galaxy A33 5G and how to prevent such a problem from happening again in the future. App crashes can be due to server issues, so try to check on that first. If it's not a server-related issue, then the first thing you need to do is to restart the app. It basically means force stopping the app and reopening it. To do that, tap the recent key to view the apps you recently used. Find Twitter, and then swipe up on its preview to close it. You can also just tap Close All to quit them all in one tap. After doing that, open Twitter again and see if it still crashes. In most cases, this is the only thing you need to do to make the app work perfectly again. However, if the problem still occurs, then what you need to do next is to reset the app. An app reset basically means deleting its cache and data files. To do that, go to the screen where you can find the app. Tap and hold on its icon until the options menu shows. Tap the app info icon to open its settings. Tap Storage. Now tap Clear Cache to delete the app's cache. Then tap Clear Data and tap OK to confirm you want to delete its data and files it created. After doing that, reopen Twitter and try using it to see if it continues to crash. If the problem continues, then your last resort will be to uninstall Twitter and reinstall it. Doing so will delete all its installation files and replace them with a new set. To do that, go to the screen where you can find Twitter. Tap and hold on its icon until the options show. Tap Uninstall, and then tap OK to confirm. After it's successfully uninstalled, launch the Play Store and search for Twitter. Once found, tap on the Install button. When the installation is finished, tap Open and it should run smoothly now that you've reinstalled it. We hope that this guide can be helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.